I'm hoping these clips work for this tube, which is not exactly like the dimensions of the old one, but I'm hoping it'll seal good enough. I'm thinking behind it is better. Let's do this first. I think that's going to work. Okay. I think that'll work. Might be able to go up here, just so it's not going down all the way. I still think that is pretty good. I don't think it's kinked there. Let me just look at the original. And I think that's going to work. I think that's going to work. Could probably push this filter down a little bit further instead of in the middle part. Like that. Just so it's not sticking up so far, and a little less pull on the top. Yeah, I think it's supposed to strap in this gap, but I don't think it matters much. Then of course this goes to a cutoff valve. So I think that looks pretty good. Okay. So yeah, just in case you're wondering, the gas tank sits here, has a cutoff valve, and then it routes into this cutoff valve, which then has a little loop that goes into the filter, which goes up into the pump, out the pump, and into carburetors. So that's the flow. So let me see, I did work on the cutoff valve. I think at the time I didn't have the gasket set for it, but I do now. So let me get that, get the cutoff valve. I did make a loop, see if that works. And then this part of the fuel flow should be set. Let me go grab that.